Hello everyone, welcome to grammar video on preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that shows connection between a nouns, pronouns and or phrases to other words in a sentence. They describe the relationship in terms of time, place, direction, cause, manner and more. Examples: the apple is on the table. The preposition on indicates the connection between apple and the table. She took notes during the meeting. The preposition during indicates the connection between notes and meeting. These are some examples of prepositions. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time show the relationship of time between the nouns and other parts of a sentence. At is used for specific times. Example: the meeting starts at 10 a.m. On used for days and dates. Example: we will meet on Monday. In used for longer periods like months, years, centuries and long periods. Example: she was born in July. See some more examples. He bought a car last year. She will be here by 7 p.m. Prepositions of place. A preposition of place is used to describe the location of something or someone at specific locations. Example: she is at the office. In enclosed spaces or large areas. Example: they live in New York. On surfaces or streets. Example: the book is on the table. Prepositions of direction. Prepositions of direction describe how a person or thing moves or directed with respect to other people or things. 2. Indicate movement towards a place. Example: she is going to the store. Into movement from outside to inside. Example: he walked into the room. Towards, in the direction of. Example: they walked towards the park. See some more examples. The restaurant is across the bank. She came home from school. Prepositions of cause, reason or purpose. For indicates the reason or purpose. Example: the gift is for you. Because of indicates the cause. Example: the game was cancelled because of the rain. Prepositions of manner. By indicate the means or method. Example: she travelled by train. With indicates the instrument or tool used. Example: he cut the bread with a knife. Comprehensive examples for each preposition. At. For time, the class begins at 8 a.m. For place, they are waiting at the bus stop. On. For time, the exam is on Friday. For place, the cat is sitting on the window. In. For time, they will arrive in the afternoon. Place, he left his keys in the car. 2. Direction, we are traveling to Paris next week. Into direction, she dived into the pool. Towards. For direction, he ran towards the finish line. For cause or purpose, I am studying for the exam. Because of. Cause, the flight was delayed because of fog. By. For manner, the book was written by an unknown author. With manner, she wrote the letter with a pen. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. First one, the party starts blank 7 p.m. At. We will meet blank Saturday. On. She is sitting blank the chair. In or on depending upon the context. He is travelling blank London next month. 2. The cat jumped blank the box. Into. They walked blank the beach. Towards. This present is blank you. For. The game was cancelled blank the rain. Because of. She commutes blank bus every day. By. He fixed the car blank a wrench. with. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.